In this video, I'll show you how to view email password in Outlook. If you're trying to recover or find a saved Outlook email password, I'll walk you through the safest and most effective way to do it. First, open the Outlook desktop app on your computer. Once it's open, go to the top left corner and click on File. From there, select Account Info. You will see your email address listed, along with a Manage option on the right side. When you click Manage, Outlook will show your account details, such as the incoming server and your username. However, for security reasons, Outlook does not display your actual password inside the app. If you don't see the password here, that's completely normal. If you still need to view a saved password, the best way is to use your browser's password manager. Open your preferred web browser, such as Google Chrome, and go to Settings from the top right corner. Then click on Passwords and Autofill and select Google Password Manager. In the search bar, type Outlook or live.com. If your login details were saved, you'll see your email address appear in the list. Click on it and then select the eye icon to reveal the password. You may be asked to confirm your identity using your device password or fingerprint. From here, you can also copy the password or even change it if needed. That's the easiest and safest way to find your saved Outlook email password. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.